since the beginning, and for 1,000 years, I have seen the greatest champions try and fail. But never have I sensed one as unworthy as you. You dare come here with your tainted mongrel blood to claim Atlantis' greatest treasure? So be it. Half-breed. You thought yourself worthy. You thought yourself a king. You dishonor this place with your presence.
You understand me.
No mortal has conversed with me since King Atlan. Who are you? No man has ever freed the trident from Atlan's grip. Should he deem you unworthy, well, I haven't feasted in eons, and I am famished.
Hmm?